Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to redeem your McDonald's Monopoly codes using the McDonald's app step by step. Let's jump right in. First, launch the official McDonald's app on your phone. If you don't have one yet, you can download it from your Google Play Store or App Store. And here to redeem the Monopoly codes, you must be signed in and tap the rewards and deals or sign in. Log in using your email, Google, or Apple. If you are new, you can create an account and fill your details. And once logged in, go to the home screen and look for the McDonald's Monopoly banner or promotion section. Tap register to play. And you need to confirm that you're 18 years or older and agree to the terms and condition. And after registering, go to Monopoly section inside the app and tap Add Code. And you'll have the two options. You can scan QR code or enter code manually. Just carefully enter the code from your Monopoly sticker. And once submitted, the app will show a confirmation pop up. Your reward will be added to your account, and you can view your prizes under the Monopoly or rewards section. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.